Assalamualaikum viewers, how are you all? Today's our video is intro to user centered design. First of all, we are open the Google Chrome and searching how to intro to user centered design. That's how the showing. We are open in tab. That's how show what is user centered design. That's how defined as what is user centered design. User centered design (UCD) is an iterative design process in which designers focus on the user and their needs in each phase of design process. In UCD design, teams involve users throughout the design process via a variety of research and design techniques to create highly usable and accessible products for them. UCD is the short name User Centered Design. UCD is an iterative process. In user centered design, designers use a mixture of investigative methods and tools and creative ones to develop an understanding of user needs. The term was coined in the 1970s as latter. UCD considers the whole user experience. In UCD, you base your project upon an explicit understanding of the user takes and environment. The aim of the process is to capture and address to whole user experience. Therefore, you design them should include professional from access multiple design etc. Thank you all of us. Allah Hafiz. We are joining the next video.